Every business is looking at making video, but between scoring and posting, there are way too many steps and tools, and you don't even know if it's gonna work. That's why at Jupitrr, we're building VideoOS, an all-in-one tool for your entire video workflow, built for business owner and content teams.
So start by discovering what's already working. Search topic in your niche and pick one that fits. You'll be able to remix them into your own video brief and automatically fill up your content calendar according to your video strategies. Collaborate with your team on video brief just like a Notion doc. Our AI writes everything. If you don't like it, just tell it to rewrite it. And when you're ready, hit record. Pull up your phone with our very own Teleprompter app, the first ever that do line-by-line recording with auto trim and stitch. The moment that you finish, your video is basically done. It automatically uploads back to our VideoOS and our editor. Subtitle, B-roll, background music, all added automatically. Then you can just directly publish to all your socials. We want to make making video easier than ever. Time to start posting consistently. Sign up today at Jupitrr.com.